Hey guys, it's Zach. Just want to do a quick little thing on the truck of what I've done to it so far. First off, very first thing I got was this blue steering wheel cover. The mat, pedals, the Ed Hardy bucket seats covers. The bolts, here you go, the bullet bolts for the thing, rain guards, unique rims, unique wheels, whatever you want to call them, bullet valve caps there, Goodyear tires, gotta love those Goodyears, blue octane windshield wipers, whatever. Wade, bug guard, Casey's, bull bar. Just got these on about 2 days ago. Little Ford bolt covers, both sides. Bolt. Want to get Casey's in the bottom here about a week or so. Halos, show those to you in a minute. Tonneau cover. Then I got the slider window installed. LED tail lights. Of course, you guys see my other videos. The Flowmaster 40 series. Got those in. Got this Ford Racing plate cover. Some more of the Ford locks, bolt locks, whatever you want to call them. This is Tonneau Max, just so you guys know. That lights up the Ford down there. Then I got these mud flaps here. That was a good time to make a video of everything because the truck's actually pretty clean. Stuff like that, because I just washed it 2 days ago, I think it was. Sorry if I say your name wrong. I don't remember if it's Roman or Raymond. Cannot remember for the life of me. But who was asking me to do an in-cab video of the sound of the truck? Let me go ahead and put the phone next to the back muffler so you guys can hear the idle. Because I know he wanted the idle sound of it. Sound you're gonna get when it's warmed up. Maybe a little less than that. There's your LEDs. Bar light down here. Everything LED, baby. I cannot find a square gas tank cover, so I just put a 3 angle on there to match the front piece. Halos are turned on. Halos go on as soon as as long as the key is turned. That's the way the guys wired them. You have your 3 little LEDs here. You know, the halos. Let me go ahead and turn on these KCs real quick so you guys can see them. Oh yeah, by the way, that's a switch right there for the KCs. There's your KCs, halos, main headlights on. And just so you guys can actually see, lights are off, all lights are off. Halos are still on with the way they wired them to the engine, well, to the battery and everything, to their own separate harness. So those are on no matter what, as long as the ignition is turned to on. So the truck can be off, but the thing's still turned on, and you'll still get them. So, there's that. Let me go and do an in-cab sound of, like he was asking me, of go around the block here. I'm gonna open up the window here, just so you guys can hear all this a little clearer. Quick run around the block here, maybe just down to the end. So you're gonna get this. You gotta put gas tonight. Sounds awesome underneath this bridge. Strong pull here. That's what you're going to get when you kind of floor it. I'll turn around here. I don't know if you guys know Had Park. Here's Had Park. You know. I'm gonna put my phone in here, maybe. That's what last time. Okay, there we go. Sound on a hard pull. The phone keeps moving because I put it in the steering wheel within the thing, so that's why it's doing this. So there's your quick little video. Like and subscribe, guys. Get more of the Ranger. Peace out.